Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll test out this wood lathe that I got online. This was about $160 on eBay. First, I'll take it out of the box. Okay. Here's the tool rest. Here's all the hardware. Now let's see if it even works. Okay, cool. Okay, now that I have my piece secured in here, now I'll attempt to carve something with it. So what I'm going to use this for is this ice cream scoop. The handle broke off, so I'm going to put this one on basically. So this is the rough shape that I want the handle to be. So now I'll sand it and then cut it. Now I'm going to cut it off. Now I'll smooth this out with a belt sander. Now I'll drill a hole in the handle, cut the head off this bolt, and then thread the bolt through both the handle and the scoop. Okay, this drill bit is trash, so I'll get a new one. Okay, now I'll coat it with Rust-Oleum Ultimate Polyurethane. Okay, now I'll let it dry and then apply another coat. Okay, now the second coat is dry. Okay, now the handle's all done. Now it's all done. So this lathe works pretty well, especially for the price tag, and you can definitely make stuff with it. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Here's all the hardware.